Leader, Girls, Alice Jean Almasan. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Line Elcano. MAPE Company Commander, Alexis D. Los Santos. MAPE Company EXO, AJP Ramos. First Platoon Leader, AJS Reforzado. Second Platoon Leader, Mini C. Espirito. School Head, Romeo P. Colina. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Mark Jones R. Delmiguez. Assistant CTP MAPE Facilitator, Christian A. Baina and Marilo A. Vino. Majors Coordinator, Anthony R. Parnero. Mikael Escapo, Mayla May Balala, Jana Gurley Obaldo. Assistant Majors Coordinator, DBC-DLC Coordinator, Eddie Potentalio Jr. Alaysa Valiente, Hazel Largo, Lenny Penetrante, Assistant DLC Coordinator. Entry number 27, Bula National High School, Bula, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 27, Bula National High School, Sagrada Bula, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 28, Seferino Arroyo High School, San Agustin, Iriga City. Troop and Staff, Mariel S. Ampungan, Troop Commander. Zen Aaron Dulce.